On July 16, 1969, the Apollo 11 spacecraft blasted off from Earth's Kennedy Space Center on its journey to the Moon with astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins on board. The Apollo 11 mission was the fifth manned mission in the Apollo program, and the goal was to land a man on the Moon and return him safely to Earth. After a 3-day journey, the Apollo 11 spacecraft entered orbit around the Moon. Armstrong and Aldrin then boarded the lunar module, named Eagle, and began their descent to the lunar surface. The descent to the lunar surface was not without its challenges, as the Eagle's computer began to overload with data, but the crew was able to manually pilot the module to a safe landing spot. On July 20, 1969, at 4:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the lunar surface and famously declared, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Aldrin joined him soon after, and the two spent a total of 21 hours on the surface, conducting experiments, collecting samples. 47.5 pounds of lunar samples were collected, and deploying scientific instruments. During their time on the surface, the astronauts also planted the American flag and took photographs of the lunar landscape and themselves. After a successful mission, Armstrong, Aldrin, and Collins returned to Earth on July 24, 1969, splashing down in the Pacific Ocean. The Apollo 11 mission was completed in just 8 days, 3 hours, 18 minutes, and 35 seconds and cost around $185 billion in today's dollars. The Apollo 11 mission not only marked a major achievement for the United States, but also for humanity as a whole, proving that we had the capability to reach and explore our nearest celestial neighbor. The mission was watched live by hundreds of millions of people around the world, and it continues to inspire future generations to reach for the stars and explore space. The Apollo 11 mission was the first successful manned mission to land on the Moon out of total 6 Apollo missions that landed on the Moon. The mission was not only a technical and engineering achievement but also a major political achievement during Cold War, showing United States superiority in technology and capabilities over Soviet Union. The impact of Apollo 11 mission extends beyond space exploration. It also had a cultural impact, inspiring new generations of scientists, engineers, and innovators.